Alright guys, welcome back to Makati tutorial. So previously we were able to view our oldest video on YouTube. We used to come to this place sort by, and after you click on sort by, you will see that oldest video will appear in the options here. But now we can only view our most popular video or the popular video on our channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use other means to view your oldest video in 2022. So we are going to use TikTok for this kind of trick. So I have my TikTok app open. Then you find any account that has a YouTube link in its bio. Yes, so I have Makati Media. That TikTok account has a YouTube link in its bio. So just click on the link. Then it takes me to YouTube. Then click on videos. You can see that dates are the newest over here. So just click on the oldest, and you can see the oldest video of that YouTube channel. You see that 10 months ago, that video is, you can see that this video is the oldest video on the channel. And you can do same for other videos. Just search for other channels like Mr. Beast or Marcus Brownlee. Okay, so I have this account open, this channel open. Let's go and view his oldest video. In the same way, click on the videos, then come to here and click on oldest. You can see that I'm able to view his oldest video. That's 14 years ago, about 32-second video. Alright, so this is how you can do this kind of trick in 2022. You can use this method to view your oldest video on YouTube. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates.